How to remove payment method from Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method from Google Play Store. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the section, simply scroll down and tap on payments and subscription. And now here in this section, just tap on payment method, and after that you can just tap on more payment settings, and this will open your Google payment page in a browser. Now here you'll see all your saved cards and payment method. Now there you can just tap remove or delete next to the payment method that you want to remove and confirm your action, and the payment method will be removed from your account. And that's it. That's how you can remove a payment method from Google Play Store. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.